Hello everyone, welcome. Today, I'll show you how to download your LinkedIn Learning Certificate. It's a simple process, so be sure to watch until the end. Step 1. Sign in to your LinkedIn account. Open a browser, navigate to LinkedIn, and sign into your account. Step 2. Access LinkedIn Learning. Click on For Business in the top right corner, then select Learning from the drop-down menu. A new tab will open. Step 3. Access your learning history. Click on My Learning and select My Library. Then, click on Learning History. Step 4. Download your certificate. Find the completed course you want to download a certificate for, click on the three dots, and select Download Certificate. Under Get Certificate, click on LinkedIn Learning Certificate. You can either create a certificate link or download a PDF. Select Download PDF. Step 5. Locate your downloaded certificate. Press Ctrl+J to view your downloads, then click on Show in Folder. Your certificate will be displayed, and you can now open it. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your LinkedIn Learning Certificate.